Grab one jumper cable and put it in pin 3 on the Arduino. Grab the second jumper cable and put it in ground on the Arduino. Grab your breadboard and put negative on one line and pin 3 on another line. These lines run parallel to each other. Underneath there is a strip of metal that runs underneath each line. Grab your LED and look at it. One side will be longer than the other. That is the positive side. We want to connect that to pin 3. The other one we're going to connect to negative. I left a space in between so that you can see they are on the exact same line. Pin 3 and negative. On to the code. Here we're going to use analogWrite. Now pay attention to your capitalization. If you put it in wrong, that won't work. See how it changed color? Now it's back to normal. The same goes with the second part over here. Always make sure that you put it correctly. Make sure your syntax looks right. Now here we can use 0 to 255. I'm going to use 50 because it's not as bright. 255 is super bright. Here we write the delay in milliseconds. I'm using 1,000. And analogWrite 30. That is the lowest setting. It turns the light off. Now make sure that your code is saved. Name it something that you're going to know what it was you were doing. Check your tools, make sure that your board is set up correctly and that you have it on the correct COM port. Hit upload. If you had any errors, it would show up here, but we have no errors. As you can see, it is turning the light on and off. Now, let's say we wanted to turn it on for a longer time. We change the delay from 1 to 3. Now the light stays on longer. But let's say that we wanted to change that so that the delay is longer on the off side. So we change that number. Now you see that it is off longer than it is on. Next, we're going to use digitalWrite. Now, digitalWrite only does off and on, so it's only high or low. So here we got 3 high, which is going to turn on the light. And here's our delay in milliseconds. And 3 low, which will turn off the light. Those are the only 2 options you will have with digitalWrite, high or low. Save your file as something you will remember what it is, and upload. Now you see it turning off and on, but it looks like it's not really very bright. So how do we fix that? Up here, we add in pin mode 3, and we're going to say that the pin is sending information out, so we put it as output. Now let's see what that does. Uploading. Look, it's much brighter. An easy fix. Always check your code and play with it. Thank you for watching, and please shop at EPO for all of your electronics needs. Call or drop by today. Thank you.